in this section we try to train the dataset and then see how much is the accuracy. Okay, for training we just need to add model.fit, and then we need to specify the training data at the training level. Training data is this, and training level is y train. So the next we will have the validation data. Validation this data is nothing but it's the test data we have. So we'll have x test, and then y test. Okay, then we need to specify how much epochs we want to train. Say let's say we use like maybe 20 or let's say 30 epochs. Say epochs to train. Equal to 30, and then we will use this epoch here. So first you need to specify what is the here, and then you give the variable here. Yeah, this is what we have. This is how we use the training. Okay, let me just execute the whole code. Let's run this and then see what happens. So let me increase this because we will focus on here how the training looks like. Is there any error here? Yeah, fit got an unexpected keyword validation. It's going to be validation set if I'm not wrong. Validation data. Yep, should be validation. So since we have already executed this code, we can just execute the remaining code. And so now, yes. Oh, let's execute the whole thing. F9. Yeah, so now our training starts and then training completes. We have our accuracy. This is a training accuracy, and validation accuracy is not so high. So let's increase our epochs. So if you execute this again without restarting, your training will basically start from this. From here it will continue. Okay, basically, so that means like your epochs is going to be 30 plus 30 is going to be 60. Okay, 30 plus 30 60. Okay, so rather than that we just try to this is yeah 50 starting from. We'll just execute the whole code. Okay, accuracy 1, here accuracy also 1. Okay, so but this doesn't give any anything where we can see whether we are having it's an overfit data or not. Okay, to see this, to view this, let's just add some code where we can plot. Okay, so how do we plot? For plotting we use matplotlib. Okay, it's already there. Here we will use this to plot. Okay, so here we'll plot. before plotting, what do we need? We need to get history, model history. How is the model history? Okay, so let's just get model dot history dot. Okay, we need this. So with this we are going to plot. So let's just see what does this contains first. F9. So this contains all this value. So in the first epochs, the loss. Okay, there's an accuracy here. Loss for first epoch, second epoch, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, 8, 9, 10 until loss for 50 epochs. Then the next data we have accuracy. Accuracy for first epoch, second epoch, third, fourth. This is training accuracy, okay? So here, so this set the loss and the accuracy. So this is for training first, loss and accuracy from 0 to, or maybe 1 to 50. Then we have validation loss, so 1 2 3 until 58. So we will have validation accuracy, we will have 1 2 until 50. Okay, so our data, our training is said to be a good one when the variation between validation accuracy and the accuracy, training accuracy and the test accuracy is almost equal, is almost uniform. Okay, so let's just plot this and then see how our training looks like. Okay, let's, for that we need the matplotlib. Okay, plot dot, we'll do a subplot. Maybe that means like we're going to plot two graph, one for the loss and another for the accuracy. One for loss, training loss versus validation loss, another for training accuracy versus validation accuracy. So we're going to support you use this 2 1 1, and then after that next is we plot the title, plot dot title. We will have first one, what say we have, we plot the loss first. This is for loss. It's not, it's supposed to be high. Then the next is going to be y level and x level. So my y level is going to be the loss and my x level is going to be the number of epochs. X level is going to be number of epochs. Yes. So these are the title, level, but we haven't plot anything. So we will plot the data now. Plot dot plot. So what are we going to plot? we are going to plot from this history. Let's just assign this so that we don't need to type very long. Yeah, from this we will just pull up. What do we need to pull up? Loss is we need to pull up this loss. So it's going to be something here. We're going to use the loss. Okay, loss should be, take note, you should be having the small letter. Why? Because here is small letter. You're basically going to pull up this. We pulled up the loss, and then another we will pull up the, this is training versus validation. This is test loss. Okay, am I correct? Validation accuracy is here, validation loss is this. Okay, yeah, right. So this is all we have. So let's just plot, add some lesions. Lesions will note which color is validation and which color is loss. So the lesion we are going to use as a train and test. Train and test. Then where we should put it, we should put it in the either here or here or here, top left, top right. We can put anywhere. So for now we'll do the upper right side. Okay, that's fine. Let me execute this and then see what we got. And here, yeah, we have a plot here. Dictionary is not callable. Validation loss. Validation loss. Validation loss. What is wrong here? Validation loss. History, yeah, this should be my square bracket. Okay, so now let's check this again. Okay, here we have our graph. Let me scroll down and then let's see the plot here. You see it's almost converging together. So we have 50, but here it's saturated, so maybe we can have 45. Okay, so this is for the loss. Let's write another one for this is going to be same thing, only thing we are going to change the plot right there. So this is going to be model accuracy. Accuracy here you'll have, what is the name they have here? Loss and accuracy. So just copy. Next we have the val accuracy, validation accuracy. So here, so accuracy, number of epochs. Okay, this is okay. It's here the values. Validation accuracy, then accuracy here. So for this one, this one is a level. Okay, let's just see these two together. To model accuracy, accuracy number epochs, accuracy, validation accuracy, train is upper right. So perfect. We execute this. Yeah, you see here it's rather zigzag. The in the in the accuracy, but still it converges after maybe 30, 35. So I think 40 or 45 is okay. Okay, so the graph is overlapping here. Let's just make this correct. Let's just make it the layout as tight layout. Okay, let's print this again and see how it looks. F9. Yeah, there is a separation here. So model accuracy, we have this number of boxes here. So it's converses. So, but the training data set is very few what I train. That's why we may not be able to get a very smooth graph. Okay, that's all for today. In the next session, we will try how to save this model and then how to classify a new types or new images. See you in the next session.